Okay, here we are with a modified glue board in a bedroom. You need to put these things underneath a bed leg. Of course, this is the hard floor version for a hardwood floor. Just lift up the bed leg and pop it underneath. And that works quite well for most situations. If you have wheels on this machine right here, what you'll do is just pop the wheel off and let the stub dig right into the plywood. And that seems to be quite adequate in keeping it in place. Sometimes if you want extra security, if you want to make sure that it doesn't fall off going this way or back forth, what you'll do is get yourself a couple of tuna cans, an ordinary tuna can like that, and you'll secure it to the block of wood with a screw right through the middle, and then you'll apply it like so, and that's not going to go anywhere. One thing to make sure of when you're using these, you can't let the blankets touch the ground like that. That's not going to work. You have to make sure that nothing touches the ground and your bed is pulled at least 3 inches away from the wall so that no pillows or anything touches. And then these things will work quite well. We've used these things many times just to heat sterilize the bed and couches. Put these things underneath the legs and you can get rid of all your bugs using only these tools. And now you'll see that the bed has been pulled away from the wall. Make sure nothing touches the wall, and you'll also notice the blankets aren't touching the ground. This is very important for these traps to work.